Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Chard. I play the role of Greg Paterno. And he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas. And he's a tactician, he's a planner. And siya yung nakikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin na nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun. And pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na bagilan, no. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda yung minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may